So hello everyone, this is your Krishna from Women Today YouTube channel. So in this channel, we have been interviewing many women entrepreneurs and working women across different cities in India and also across different countries in the world. So today's our guest is from New Delhi. Her name is Ridhima Juneja and she is a very famous numerologist, tarot reader and also a famous Vastu consultant. So I welcome you Ridhima Juneja ma'am to this wonderful Women Today YouTube channel. So please kindly introduce yourself about the kind of professional work that you're doing to the audience who are watching this interview right now, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Krishna Kumar, for giving me this opportunity to come on this platform and to make the people aware who I am, because I really want to reach many people. Because basically, to start with, I just want to introduce myself that my name is Ridhima Juneja and I am a numerologist, tarot reader, Vastu consultant, as well as Reiki healer also. And this, I am in this industry from past 7 years. I'm practicing all these things from past 7 years, and I have also served, you can say, over 10,000 people all like over the world, you can say, because obviously before priorly, I am into this field. I have also joined AstroTalk, and there I have served in 9 months. I have served over 8,000 plus clients on that platform only, and that will be all over India. And yes, of course, practice अगर जो मैं individually करती हूँ, maximum clientele which I do have from the abroad only, and from Mumbai, from Germany, from UK, Canada. So all I'm means everyone are having this much faith on me. Like the client which I used to handle 3 years, 4 years back, which I used to handle personally, they are still with me, and that is all because of the faith which they do have on my remedies, on my consultations. Yes, of course, I am operating socially. I'm a totally socially active person also. I am on the Instagram page with the ID Tarot with Ridhima. I do have my company website also, that is with the name Shubh Sankhyan. And for that, I'm sure that you are having all the details. And yes, I do have my YouTube channel also with the name Divine Souls 23, because obviously I'm not that type of a person, who will who will be, totally selling all the products on the social platform. Because nowadays I have seen this thing. Many people are selling the ideas in the form of remedies, anything. For example, there is one lady who is saying this thing that drink, on drink with your wife on Fridays, your Venus will get active. Of course, you are bringing the luxury in your life. You are, pampering your wife. That will actually boost your Venus. But when you drink, make her drink, and without her permission and without her consent, so definitely it will also ruin your another planets also. It will ruin your Shani. It will ruin your Mangal. So it is not why I am socially active now, just to make them clear. Because if you will see my page, I have given only that information which I totally believe into. I'm not, that type of a person who is selling the ideas without thinking what I'm saying. And that is the reason, Krishna, why everyone is losing the, confidence in that these are things, you people are giving the remedy, but these are not actually working. Because you are following too many peoples. I am a total numerologist. If you see my page Tarot with Ridhima, I am a name numerologist there. Okay. And people come to me with so many confusions in their mind. I have done this low show says this much, this Vedic says this much. I have heard somewhere कि यहाँ पे ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. It is all about, very good. YouTube is having, it's giving you the platform where you can share the knowledge, but it is not the total knowledge which you are getting on the YouTube. They will stop the point there where actually things matters. They will, make you involved in such a things that you will get, acha, ye bhi hota hai, wo bhi hota hai. And then they will stop. If you want to learn more, you can join this course. This is just a money making strategy that people are using nowadays. They are just making the people confused just to make one thing. That is, if you want to boost your Brahaspati, for your example, you want to boost your Jupiter, which is responsible for everything, for everything. Because Guru is important. Just go by the logic. What is color of Guru? That is yellow color. Apply yellow color, yani turmeric. You must have heard of turmeric, haldi. You just apply a tika, a small tika here on forehead and inside your navel. Your Brahaspati will get active. There are many remedies through which you can do it, but they are just, exaggerating to such a point. They have make a myth like Rahu is somewhere like, who can spoil you, who can bring a bad impacts. Everyone is, scared about Rahu. It's nothing to scare about. Rahu, I am having my Rahu, Dasha, according to the numerology, since 2022. And I must say, since 2022 only I have rise. मेरा लगन कुंडली ही राहु है 11th house. In my 11th house, which is the house of gains, Rahu is only sitting. So it is not about the Rahu, because if you will understand Rahu belongs to number 4 in numerology, and number 4 is the number of financial stability. So there is nothing to fear about Rahu. Rahu, of course, impacts only when it is sitting with a bad planet in your astrology or the numerology chart. It can give you the distractions, but if you have a hold on that, you can make your life controlled. So there is nothing about it, and that's why I have just given this interview also to make many things clear through this medium, so that people come to know that yes, there is a genuine person who is there, who can guide you, who can bring you out from the problems through many sources. Numerology hai, tarot hai, vastu hai, reiki hai, I can do anything. So yes, that is the thing which I do have in my mind. I'm so sorry I talk too much, but yes, of course. Yeah,
Okay.
moving to the next question, please.
Yeah, simple, ma'am. The very first question which I wanted to ask is, at what point of your time in your life did you decide that you wanted to become a numerologist, ma'am?
See, numerology is a very vast concept. Okay? It is what is actually numerology. First, understand this. Numerology is all about numbers. Just in astrology, we read about planets. What are the planets? What are the implications of the planets on our birth chart? Numerology is just about the numbers. Which number you are introducing in your life? If, for example, can I know your date of birth, please, if you don't mind it?
I'm 20. Number is 20.
You are 20.
25.
20. Okay, 20. I will not ask you that what is a month, what is the year. Okay, I will just take it the 20. That means you belong to number 2. That means you are very much emotional. You are very much nurturing nature. You give the people to the maximum. But in return, maybe possibility is there that you will not get thing in return. And that thing hurts you. You are that type of a person who are having the mood swings. What is the main peculiarity about your number 2? You give the people to the maximum. But if they hurt you, and if you make up your mind, no one can dare to come in your life. At that moment, you will be so much rigid that you will not allow that person, चाहे वो बंदा घुटने भी टेक ले. They will beg you in front of you, but you will not allow that person once you make up your mind. That is the power of number 2. Number 2 is also they are blessed with the good intuition powers as well. Because what is number 2? They belong to Chandrama. As the moon increasing and decreasing, your mood swings are also like that. Sometimes your mood swings like this, sometimes your mood will be like that. Of course, it is giving you the stability, it is giving you the patience, it is giving you the spouse support, and more importantly, it is the number which gives you the cash flow also. Provided this number should be balanced. If you talk about what is balanced, that means the repetition of the number should not be there. For example, if you are having in your date of birth, excluding a century, 19 and 20, exclude that century. Okay, if you are having 2 times number 2, that means you will be having very good intuition powers. But at the same time, you will be more emotional, because Pravati, the repetition of number 2 is, increasing. At the same time, if you are having 222, it can be suicidal also. Can you just, you can understand the power of numbers, because it is now hampering the number of 2. Number 2, whenever till the time it is balanced, it is giving you all the good results. But when it comes on number 222, 4 times 2, then it will make you a very cranky person. You will cranky, Arey yaar, why this is happening? What is this? What is it? You will get cranky over the small things. That means the number which give you patience, it will spoil it now, because number bigad gaya, it is spoiled. So that is why this is the power of number. For example, I give you just one more example. If you are having any boss and who is having the Mulang, that is the basic personality, either he is born on 1, 10, 19, 28, because when you will sum up, you will get the number 1 only. 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 0, or 1, of course. So all the numbers are having number 1. So if you are having the Mulank as number 1, that is your basic personality is governed by Surya, because obviously number 1 belongs to planet Surya, sun. So you will be having a good leadership qualities. You may start taking the responsibilities at a very small period of time, small age. Okay, you will be more confident. You will be more, you can say, radiant personality. The girls will be around you. The boys will be around you. But yes, what are the ways of tackling number 1? Can you just imagine? Numerology gives you that power also. If you are having the boss of number 1, then how you can tackle number 1? Arey Sarji, wow, yeah, what are the great personality you do have. And number 1 will be like this. Do beta, ask what you want. He will be, he will be impressed by the flattering, by the pampering. And the another way of tackling number 1 is by making him emotional. Sir, please understand this. Ye, wo, falan. And he will like, okay, take the leave. So these are the two ways of handling number 1 personality. If you are having the boss, you can either make him, like, oh sir, wow, what a personality you do have. You are perfect in your field and you can take any work out of them. I can guarantee you. My husband is number 1. If I want have to have anything, what I have to do is I just have to flatter him. Wow, now what is the good personality you are having? You are very good in that. Okay, Riddhi, what you want? He knows that. So that is the thing, the way of handling it. So it is very much important that what is your basic number, what is your destiny number, what the numbers you are having in your date of birth, what they are actually giving you, what the numbers are missing, that is also the consequences, what the numbers are repeating, that is also the consequence. So all these numbers, whichever you are introducing in your life, either through name, either through mobile, either through your house number, vehicle number, every number is having the influence. Every number. So this is how numerology works. It's a very vast concept, but if you will get just a glimpse of the numbers now, by making the combinations, you can do any level of predictions. Trust me, I have, one person is having 555. I have seen in their grid, I told them, don't invest anything in the loans. Don't take any loans. Don't do anything invest, because he is just asking me that whether I should invest in cricket, sattebazi and all that, gambling, just to make a shortcut. I have said this thing, that since you are having the implications of Rahu, that makes you addicted towards these things, the bad companies. Okay? That will be the implication of Rahu. 555, what will give you? It will indulge you in so much in adventurous activities without giving any thought. You will having the thought in your mind that yes, I want to make it. I want to make a money, and I will make it. And you will put more amount of money, chunks of money in that. Don't do it, because you are having the implications of Rahu and 555. That will make you the Raja also, but that will drag you into the loan trap also.
It was a great kind of explanation from you regarding numerology, ma'am. And also tell us, ma'am, today's generation, they are expecting a lot of numerological things in their day-to-day life. Like they wanted the numbers to be very auspicious, like they wanted very fancy mobile numbers, which will bring them some kind of fortune. And also at the same time, the numbers which they do have in the name numerology and the mobile numerology is the kind of things which people expect a lot of good things to happen in their life. So tell us, how exactly will the mobile numerology and the numerology in the names will get us some kind of fortune in our life? Please explain about it, ma'am.
Okay. So, since I told you that every number is having the relevance, okay, whatever the number you are bringing into your life, you are having the impact for the same. For example, my name is starts from my name is Rudhima. My spellings are Ridhima. Okay, and if you will see my Google Pay number, there officially my spellings are Ridima. That is the spellings which my mom has given me. That when she fixed my name according to the priest, she has given me Ridhima. Ridima. Okay. So since I am now a numerologist, I want to figure it out why this is happening, that whenever I work hard, I go up, then I go down. I go up and then down. Why this is happening? Because obviously Priorly, I will also not aware of that. But when I study this name numerology concept, every alphabet is having certain number. For example, M is having the weightage of 4, T is having the weightage of 4, N is having the weightage of 5, A is having the weightage of 1. Likewise, when you will sum up the first name and the full name together, it is very much important that it should be aligned with your date of birth. Again, that is Mulank and the Bhagyank. Mulank is where the date of your birth I'm talking about, and the Bhagyank is the destiny number, that is the sum of your total date of birth. It should be compatible. Since I told you that I am on my Tarot with Ridhima page, I am doing specifically the name numerology things only. People across the world comes to me for adjusting their name according to the numerology, for asking me the names for their babies. It is entirely a proper page where you can see I don't know how many clients, more than 1,000 I have, assisted in 1 year of time. Because every month I used to deal 100 plus clients. Of course, babies are also increasing, so the work also used to get, I used to get it. तो क्या होता ना that when what I was giving you the example RIDIMA. So when you will sum up this name, it is coming on 13 number, 13 number. When you will sum up to a single digit, it will gives you 4. Again, the Rahu name. ठीक है, 4 number, 13 number is just that type of a number. This is a karmic number. 13 number is a karmic number, and there is a life purpose behind that number. What is the life purpose? That is, these people will leave the work very easily. The person who is born on number 13, you will definitely see that person that he will leave the work or she will leave the work very quickly, because she is having the mood swings. She will work hard, then she will come down. She will work hard, then she will come down, and that makes him revengeful, and that makes him leave that work. So what is the life purpose of the number 13 people? Number 13 people life purpose is that you need to be consistent with the work. Once you will be consistent, you will definitely get the result. And since I got a failure, जब मुझे नहीं मिलता था, when I not get the result, I may feel that there is something lack in mind. ठीक है, I leave that thing. But when, for example, I give you, in Delhi University, there was a huge craze that I want a first division. First division starts from 60%. In first year, I got 59.2%. 60% से just 0.8% left. In second year, when my name was RIDIMA, ठीक है, 59.8%. Again from 0.2% I left. And in the third year, because that was the last year, I gave my 200% that this year I want to score anyhow. I scored 72%, and then overall segregate 3 साल की जो percentage बनी, that comes 60%. So I was consistently, doing hard work, and then at the end I got the result. That is where number 13 actually works. My life was full of struggles because of this 13 number. But why? The Ridhima is not only the thing. I use the name Ridhima Juneja also. And when you will sum up that number, it comes on number 23. And that is a beautiful number that blessed me the numbers with the good communication. As you can see, now I'm the person who is having the good communication. You find it really being, my USP is that when I used to speak, people get attached to me because I treat them in the tarot reading sessions also. I treat them very personally. I give a human touch. I am totally absent from the professionalism. I am not that type of a professional person because I know after Corona how many people have, faced it. They just need someone to listen to them, to take them out from their problems. And trust me, it's a blessing of my Sai Baba only that I have helped many people. Some people say to me like angel, some to people me like that Didi, you are just like a divine force who has come and enter into my life. And many people which I have attracted to, that was all the Sai Baba followers only. That is a sheer blessing of my Baba, Sai Baba, because whatsoever I am, it's all because of the blessing of my Baba only. My intuitions, my you can say communication, the way of presenting myself, everything, I used to get the intentions beforehand that whether I will get the better results from that or not. Trust me, before you take my interview, I got that indication from Baba that someone will come into your life who will help you out. वो बाबा का बंदा होगा. अब आप भी किसी गुरु में, you will also, bow to some Baba, you bow to some Guru, and it is a unison of gurus only. That when I am talking to you, you are talking to me, we are totally unknown. You have approached me, and I'm ready to give you the interview. I'm ready to give you all my, I'm ready to share all the facts, and maybe this will turn out to be a fruitful results also. This will give us two fruitful results also. But that is how actually the numerology works, 23 number works in my life. कि वो 23 number ने, they give me the place in the people heart. That's why I never left that thing. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे अब जैसे आपका भी, what the your name is Krishan is also coming on number, certain number, and Krishan Kumar is also coming on certain number. So it is very much important that both name, that is the first name and the full name, it should be aligned with your date of birth. Otherwise, it will give you the problems. Like 13 number has given me the problem. Once I read numerology, I changed my name to Ridhima. 9 number pe I have fixed, and total I have given on 37. That will give a boost to my life because I have introduced number 1, which is the Bhagyank, which is 37 only. If you will sum up my date of birth, 15 July 1986, when you will sum up, you will get the number 37. And I have placed my name on this 37 number only. And that give me a boost. I start attracting my foreign clients. I start attracting the good amount of, people who are trusting me, who are, saying that I am doing a wonderful service. And if you want, you can read all the feedbacks on my page also, Tarot with Ritima, that people have actually given me huge blessings, because money you can make it. The blessings, that is the real earnings of yours. So that is how I generally, I feel like that name numerology actually matters in your life. And if you come to the mobile numerology, yes, of course, it matters. I give you the example. Name mobile number. It consists of 10 digits. I'm talking about the Indian number now. Okay? The first 4 numbers belong to the service industry number. That will not impact you. But the last 6 numbers, which you are introducing in your life, that will give you the results. For example, one people came to me. He was into the business line, transportation line, and transportation line. You might have come across that. You must be knowing that the payment oftenly gets stuck, right? So he is saying, Ridhima, just give me that number, that I will not get this type of issue, that my payment gets stuck or my payment get late too. Okay. So he told me, give me that number. I said, take any number, provided that sum total of the number comes with 5. Okay. Why 5? Because 5 related to traveling also. Okay. And it's a business number also. And must introduce 5-9 or 9-5 combination in that. Because 5-9 or 9-5 combination, it will never allow you to get the stuck money problem. At the end, if you will introduce 5-5-9-5, that will be the excellent for you. 5-5-3 at the end of the mobile number, that will gives you the money flow at any cost. This is a, you can say, tried and tested thing, which I have inquired, because once I will say anything on public platform, now I used to test many things by asking my clients. Those whosoever has come from the name numerology, I see their number. One person is having 888. I ask, are you having any problem in your relationship with your father or something like that, or in your relationship? Yes, I do have the problem with my wife. Are you oftenly thinking a lot? Yes. Are you also facing the problem relating to the money? Yes, I do have the financial crunch. 888 was given. 888, that combination, which will never allow you to have a good married life, which will never allow you to make money, because 8 number is the number of money management. 8 number is the number of money management. If you are not having 8 number in your date of birth, you are not able to manage the money. You will not be able to manage the money. The money will come, money will go, you will not be able to make it. Who will give you the shramta? Who will give you the potential to make the money? Number 5. And if you are having number 5 and 8 in your date of birth, you can make the money hell out of anything, because your brain and your money management skills is supporting you. So
Then
that is how the numerology is. I do have 5-8. I do have. So yes, I can make the money through have knowledge. You can make money. The main thing is get the knowledge through any source, and then help the people. Once you will help the people, once you will, because abhi there's not enough time, I will explain you the karma theory also. Many people are saying that why this is happening. Is it a god plan? Is it destined? Or we are making the mistakes? We are making the mistakes, but how this process actually works, maybe in certain time we will discuss about this also, so that people come across, people कहते हैं, whatever that happened, God ने किया, why you are blaming us? It is destined. Why you are blaming us? That is about the theory, karma theory. That we will discuss later on, because that is a huge concept. We'll surely throw a light on that also, but for sure. And maybe I will also be able to clear many confusions of yours. If you do have any confusions, please do ask me, so that I can also clear your thought process also, just like I want to clear many people's thoughts.
Yeah, just like as you told that you're also having some kind of intuitions that you're going to have a person entering your life, and he or she going to help you out in the kind of professional works that you're doing, that you got that signals from Sai Baba. That I do believe, because I am a worshipper of Sai Baba. I do worship him daily. I have a statue
And
of
that's the
him in
reason
my,
why we connect. Why you connect. Now you get the reason.
yeah.
Now you get the reason.
I
I
do.
told you the Baba will send me the person and you are coming personally. That is the reason. And this is the Leela of Sai Baba. If you will surrender your life to him now, he will give you or mesmerize with so many miracles. I am having literal tears in my eyes. My teary eyes ho jati hai. When I used to say Sai Baba from my heart, I actually get emotional. And that is the thing where he's connecting to me.
Yeah, I have been.
It's not a
Yeah.
myth. It's not the thing which I am exaggerating. It's an actual fact.
Yeah, the thing is that I have been worshipping Sai Baba for past 10 years, right from my college. So I'm having Sai Baba's God's statue in my home. The very first thing I do is go worship him, and I ask simple thing like, whatever happens in life, please give me the strength to face it. So that's what I daily worship him. And I was just thinking like, okay, we will be doing a lot of interviews, and I'm just making this as my profession. So in my profession, I should have a lot of people getting interviewed. So that's the way I think whatever you said was good actually. I mean,
See,
it's good.
profession may, whatever the profession you will choose now, Krishna, that actually makes you happy. Priorly this profession, I was into HR line. I run my own consultancy also. I used to give employment to the people. I used to talk. I was directly doing the business development with the companies. I asked the requirement and I used to search the people from the portals, Naukri.com or this Shine.com and everything. I used to search the people. I take the interviews and then I send them to give the. But that thing not give me so much happiness. I used to earn lakhs in 1 month also.
The same
In
exact.
lakhs 1 month also.
I think one of
But
my
I was
friends is
not getting the happiness. I was not getting the happiness. I'm answering your question also.
yes.
When you worship Baba, he has given you that path where you will get the true bliss. And when you will get true bliss, now you will definitely enjoy your profession. Maybe you will not get the success in very short term, but Baba is having the procedure. Baba will never give you short term progress because you will not actually value it. Baba will make you suffer, will make you hard work so that you will get the main जो कहते हैं ना the sweetness of the fruit. He will make you work hard. He will give you the matlab many obstacles in your life, but he will be with you. Besides that, he will always be with you. He will never allow you to fall down. Never allow you. Even I will say that if I'm not having the light and I'm having the certain interview, suppose I used to go somewhere and I was not even prepared, I just say Baba. That was a miracle thing that happened. My baby Mahira, she's 6 years, she's 5 years old. She take a bottle knob, जो छोटे बच्चों की होती है ना, that a toy knob bottle, छोटी सी toy bottle थी. She take that knob and she will put it in here. Okay, here. It got stuck and I was like, what will I do? I immediately was to matlab, when it comes to me, I was very calm down person, but when it's come to my daughter, I was like shivering. And I was saying, no, yeah, what will I do? It will get operated now. Many thoughts will come into my mind. Then, when I was traveling in the car, I was just praying to the Baba. I feel that some hand is on my shoulder. Okay? Some pressure is on my shoulder. I feel that Baba is there. I turned around like this through the window. There was written Sai Garments. Sai Garments. Sai Baba का नाम आ गया. Then I looked straight over a car. It was written 100% assurance. 100% assurance. I was just thinking, बाबा आज मेरी बेटी सही आनी चाहिए घर में, उसको कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. I am having goosebumps right now. I'm just, when I'm relating with this incident, I know what I was going through. बाबा का नाम आया, 100% assurance लिखा हुआ आया. मुझे लगा कि नहीं बाबा, फिर मेरा थोड़ा सा काम डाउन. आई वाज काम डाउन कि नहीं अब होगा ठीक. At that moment there was Sunday. Doctors were, that on Sunday the doctors are, generally take the leave. My husband was so much having a dear friend, Dr. JP Singh. He is a child specialist. He was not able to, remember that name. I just that idea clicked in my mind. Yeah, call Dr. JP Singh. He is a perfect doctor. Okay? And he has given me the reference. There's a friend of mine. Go straight to them. He's at home. He will give you the personal attention. We came there. We went there, and then he just took a hardly 5 seconds. He just vacuum it and he will take it, and my baby is totally fine. That is how the miracle works in my life.
Yesterday, I was seeing this particular video that a kid who had some earwax, they went to a doctor and they cleared the earwax within 30 seconds. And I don't know. See, this kind of videos were appearing to me, and there was some kind of partial joke in which people will be asking, the doctor is doing just cleaning the earwax within 30 seconds, and he is charging 1,500 rupees. That's too much. And the other doctor will be telling that this is why most of the doctors, they'll be taking the patients to a room and they'll be having a talk with them for 1 hour, and after that they will be doing the surgery for 15 minutes, and so that the people will be able to understand that okay, this surgery took for like 1 hour and 15 minutes, so that's why they're charging 1,500. So but if we directly make the right right work within 30 seconds, people will be like, okay, why charging that much amount for a very short period of time? So I think these kind of connections.
Means the people, if we are going to give you the solution in 10, I am going to give you the explanation in that way also. Is it fine? Should I continue?
Yeah,
Should I continue?
Yeah, you can continue.
So when I used to say that for 10 minutes I was like, my certain charges are there for the tarot reading. Okay, many people are, what they are doing is that they are just rounding around the corner. They are not telling the right thing which the client is asking. Even on why I left AstroTalk. Why I left, because earlier they are having a very good intention to help people. They were saying that you have to help people whatever the best time they will get. But when they get funding, I'm so sorry, I'm just talking this publicly, but when they get the funding of approximately, I don't know, 147 or 287 crores from outside India, okay, then they have just changed their mindset that now we have to earn money, because obviously we have to give up profits to the company who has invested in us. So then they are saying that goal ghumao, round around the corner, and then just once that once the time is about to end, just give me that, please extend the minutes so that I can give you the better clarity. This is how they actually works. They start getting the money. But this is not my forte. If I am taking 10 minutes, that 10 minutes will give you the proper clarity. If you will ask me what is happening in my life, I will just take one card, of yours, and that will give you the proper glimpse about what is happening in your life right now. Without asking you a single question, I can tell you about that. That is the power of tarot. That is the power of tarot, and that is the power key that like if the people are genuine, they are genuinely helping you out. That you people are saying, many people are having this psychology. अब क्या होता है doctors में? My sister is saying my nephew, has some pain in the shoulder. I said, कि, yeah, take him to the doctor. Time he got hurt, we will take him to the doctor. We get it, the X-ray, and the report comes, he's okay. My money get wasted. मैंने कहा, what the hell? You are saying that your kid is okay. You're not enjoying that. You are just enjoying that the X-ray report is coming okay. Because your money get wasted. Because the shoulder was okay. So the people are not getting, the people are saying that if we are investing the money, we should see the miracle. We will, of course, we will talk about this thing also, that some people are saying that you people are giving you the remedy, but that thing, same thing happens. Again, the prarabdha karma and how this remedies, help that people. Okay, we will discuss, when we have the elaborative session next time. When we do have the elaborative session, I will definitely give a light about it, that how remedy actually works in your life. It will not, it is a substitute only. It is not a short plan. We are not we are not God who will bless you with the things. So we are humans. We can just save you from all that things. Some people are saying, nahi, we will not get it. We will not check our numerology. We will not check our tarot. If it's free, we will ask you, हाँ बताओ, what is going to happen in my life? Why the hell I will exchange your energy and I will take your negative things on my own without any money? If you are a genuine, because ऐसा नहीं है, if you are a genuine person and who is in need, I am ready to give you, I am ready to help you free of cost also. But if you are saying just to ask me that, no, tell me, about myself, I am not ready to give you, just to prove me that how efficient I am. I'm not ready to give you. If you really want to know that, what actually is going to help in happen in your life, spend some money. Get the glimpse over it. They are saying that vehem baith jayega. We will get worried very early, in the early stage, that that will happen. We will get worried. So you will saved from the extremity also. If you know in advance that you will be hidden or you will be hit by some car, you will take the precautions. You will go wisely. You will not, drive the car rashly. You will save that from extremity. Maybe that extremity may kill you, make you dead, but that thing may protect you. Maybe you will get a small scratch. Maybe you will get a small scar, but you will save from, the huge extremity which can happen. So we are not here to, to keep you in the delusion or to keep you in the confusion, but we are here to save you from anything, that can happen in future, so that you will be, you will be prepared in advance. You can get you can do something, as I told you, as I have given you the indication 2 months before, that your time has come when you will get into the financial crunch. You will get into the debt trap. He has not listened to me, though he has taken the that service also. He taken me lightly, he taken my advice lightly, and he got a debt trap of 25 lakhs, which is not a small money. 9 mahine ho gaye, it's been 9 months, he's struggling with that 25 lakhs. He is not able to come out from that trap. So we try to save him. Not even in terms of money also, Christian. I have saved many people from investing your feelings also into the wrong person. Many girls, many boys have come to me. I told them that that are not cup of your tea. Please leave them. They will hurt you. They have not trusted me. One girl come to me. She said that whether I do have the chances for being married with him. I said no, he will not marry. What the hell you are talking about? He was not saying anything. Like in a rude way. She said ki nahi, he is ready. His parents are ready. How you can say this thing to me? I don't think so. I don't believe you. But still, you have given me the information. Thank you so much. She put the phone down. After 3 months, she came to me. She said, your prediction was bang on. He said no to me for getting married. Ye bhi chodo. Germany client was there. The husband wife was there. I was assisting them. I said, there is some problem in your chart. 6-9 combination is there. 6-9 combination is a very huge combination, very worst combination, who can, put the, you can say the, a very extreme, a very bad influence on the husband wife relationship. They actually get into the violent thing. I said, please don't exaggerate anything. Okay? Just, agar ek koi bol raha, if one is speaking, please, other person, listen to them very carefully. or don't exaggerate the things. Just one people, keep their mouth shut. After 14 days, they came me, his wife told me that we are having a very heated argument, and it comes to now divorce also. And the matter was like out of no one. It was related to the past, which is nothing to relate with present. Can you just imagine? This is how numerology works. This is how the predictions work. It is
Great
a
thing.
very interesting concept. Why I am into this. So I was just about to say this thing only, ki, that how actually this numerology, numbers actually work to give you the glimpse about the happening of the events in advance, so that you can make yourself prepared. You can do some sort of arrangements. You can take some sort of precautions, and then you can definitely be, saved from, maximum calamities. For example, if you will talk about the mobile numerology, try to avoid the combination 1441. Then there are certain combination 1881. These are the worst combination. 1441 can put you into the loans, into the liabilities. They can stuck your money, and they can give you some sort of anxieties also. If you do have the combination 1 4 together, I'm talking about, not one here, four here, not like that. 1 4 or 4 1 together as a combination. Try to avoid
Which
this sort of combination.
you should not have these kind of numbers in the in what are the
Mobile numbers.
1 4. You should not have 1 4, right?
1441. Yeah, 3443. That will gives you any unpredictable event. It can give you paralysis also. Member of any of your family, if you are having 3 4 combination, it is a, you can say, 80% possibility is there that one of your family member may have the problem in their legs.
You mean
100%
4.
resonated fact है ये. Yes. 1881, that is the worst combination. That can put your life into struggles. Because one is Surya and 8 is Shani. When they both come together, they can make your life mess. Either they can create a father or son relationship issues, maybe father or daughter relationship issues. Maybe they can affect the health of either of them, or they can put a lot of struggles in the life. One client was mine there, and she was facing the problem from all sides. You know what the numbers was there? 108, 108 at the last 6 digits. What the numbers you have introduced in your life? 108, because 0, if we'll cut it up, 1881, 1881. That is the combination we will get it. Okay? And he is getting she is getting the troubles from all the sides. Her married life was mess. Her career was mess. She was not able to understand what she will do in the life. She was not able to take any decision. There was not at all any clarity in her life. So just try to avoid these numbers. There are many numbers above than that, but the worst numbers are 18, 27. 27 is also the numbers which is very much fatal to your health. It will give you the, you can say, the health issues. 34, knees issues. 3443, knees issues आएंगे. तो ये होते हैं, ये problems आती हैं. Knees, if your knees are not working properly, you're not able to walk it properly. You may have the problem in your legs. As I told you, this problem can go into the paralysis type of problems also. I do have the combination right now 3 4. My husband is having severe problems in his legs. His legs is paining at the night. His legs are paining like a hell. So that is, my spouse health is getting affected. So there actually the work, it actually matters.
I don't understand.
Okay, so this is how the numerology work, but there are many things, to talk about, but now let me, close it with it. Definitely we will, discuss many things, of course, after this, but yes, now, this is the only thing which I can put a light on it.
Really, we had a lot of thorough knowledge in the mobile numerology, and also about the kind of numerology which we can have in our own names. Yes, numbers play a vital role in deciding many kind of good things and other kind of not good things in our life. So once we have a good positive number, it's like having some kind of matching positive vibrations which will bring the good things in our life. And with the help of consultations with great numerologists like you, it will be a good thing which will be happening in many people's life. So yes, once again, thank you, Riddhima ma'am, for coming and joining
Thank you
this
so much,
Women
Krishna, for
Today.
giving me this opportunity as well.
Yeah,
I really like feel appreciated from I really feel obliged from the bottom of my heart that you have given me this opportunity so that I can, come across with the people and sort it out their doubts. Yes, of course, these things. Consult one guru. At the end, I would like to say only this thing. Consult one guru and have a full faith in that. If you are asking one astrologer, have a full faith in that. Even if he give you the wrong remedy, na, that will works you because you are doing it with the right intention. Okay, whatever the best he have the knowledge he is will, maybe I will not comment on anyone, but if you will consult me I will give you the consultation to the best of my knowledge, and if you will trust me on my remedies on my consultation, definitely you will be benefited, but provided you have a full faith on that and you will not go here and there to ask many people around it. So that is how the things work. It depends on your faith also. We are not God. We are not anyone. We are just humans, here to help you out.
yeah, I do understand that people who are watching this interview, if you want have any kind of consultations regarding numerology, people who really do have some kind of trust in numerology can approach our numerologist in Delhi, and
For
her
sure.
name
And
is
that is this is the
Riddhima.
only purpose which we are meeting into, right?
Exactly. So her name is Riddhima Juneja. She is in Delhi, and she is that. I mean, do you also do offline kind of sessions, or you do only online sessions with the clients? Tell us about it, ma'am.
Now, I am taking the online consultations both through numerology and the tarot also. I used to give the consultation through Vastu also. All I need is gridded map. And if few people are not having, that can also, I'm having the source to make the map from. And yes, of course, we will discuss Vastu also. That is a wonderful concept to be talked about because again, the people are having the myths about tarot, about Vastu. So we will definitely give you. But yes, of course, for any consultations, I'm always available. All you have to give is that you have to take the appointment first. You have to give me, 1 hour at least prior, confirmation that yes, you want a session. Definitely, I'm ready to help you out for sure.
Yeah, thank you once again, Riddhima Juneja ma'am, for coming and attending this interview in Women Today YouTube channel. So people who are watching this interview, please do subscribe to our Women Today YouTube channel. Please go click on the bell icon so that you can receive notifications whenever I do post new videos regarding women entrepreneurs and working women across different cities in India and also across different countries in the world. If you have any kind of comments, do comment in the comment section, and if you want to approach Riddhima Juneja ma'am, I will mention her Instagram link in the YouTube description. You can just directly go message her, have an appointment, have a conversation, and get remedies from her according to the kind of numerological things which matches your life and which will bring some kind of positive vibes in your life. So that's all about in this interview. And today's your host is Krishna, hosting this Women Today YouTube channel. And today's our guest is from Delhi, a famous numerologist, and her name is Riddhima Juneja. So thank you once again, ma'am. So have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. So